Welcome to SoHi.
SoHi.
Yes, SoHi.
SoHi, what does that mean?
South Hyattsville.
Oh,
Yep. Well, it's the area pretty much that runs from about the end of this block right here going down to the edge of where Hyattsville ends.
From where we're standing, all you can see is art. It's everywhere, every direction. So tell us the story.
In this corridor, our mission is to change Hyattsville one building at a time. We had to look out across the street at abandoned buildings for a very long time. I knew that mural projects were happening, and I wanted to find a way to get involved. We coordinated all the artists, did all the materials, all the supplies, and we just painted literally about 3 blocks of buildings.
So Erica, when you say right across the street, you mean right across the street.
Yeah, it's literally directly across the street from us.
Boy,
Yeah.
this is so colorful.
it is.
This building, which we did, is an actual community mural project that we had done in a day.
Yeah.
And then right behind you guys is our rainbow wall that Green Owl painted.
And you know what I love is that this is an area you would have just driven past. You wouldn't have given it 2 thoughts, you know.
It makes you smile now.
It does.
That really makes us happy to hear that. And if you guys have a moment, I can show you another mural that we did right down the street.
Sure.
So guys, this is the mural I think that probably represents a sense of place the most. We are in Hyattsville, and we want to say that really loud and really proud that we're in Hyattsville. And we
And you
decided-
did.
Thank you, thank you.
And I think the word handmade always evokes kind of a certain sense of pride.
Yeah, we're proud. We are very proud of the neighborhood. We're proud of all the artists here. We're proud of all the small businesses.
If you notice some of the murals further up the street, we helped the community paint those murals by donating paint. We grew up in Old Greenbelt, came here as children. I think it has a very hometown feeling. We just see tremendous growth for the community and for this whole art district. There's plans to put murals and art on every square inch that doesn't already have it. It's been an emerging art area for a long, long time, and I'm glad to see it's getting recognition now.
It's wonderful. I'm really glad I got this opportunity. It's my love mural. I've been doing decorative painting for 25 years now. I love downtown Hyattsville, and there's so many great artists' work down here. It's an honor to be part of it.